In this video, I'll show you how to install and replace the ink inside of your HP Envy 6400 series. This is a 6452E, but it works with many others like the 6455E or the 6400E. It's all the same thing. So let's get started. So let me show you how to install the ink that came with the printer, and then I'll show you how to remove if you have already installed some cartridge inside. To have access to the ink cartridge slots, it's very easy. On each side of the printer, you see there's some gaps over here, and there's a similar one over here as well. You just have to take your fingers, stick them there, and lift this lid like this. Whoops, I did it a bit too much. You can then leave it until it clicks in place, and this prop will keep it this way, it won't fall down. Then over here, this is where you put the ink cartridges. On the left side, this is very important, you're gonna have the color ink cartridge, the one with the magenta top, and on the right side you always have the black ink cartridge. So let me remove them from their packaging. Here we go. This printer and every other kind of printer that looks like this one takes the HP 67 or HP 67XL ink cartridges. I'll put a link in the description if you want to get these from Amazon. It's also supporting my channel. And before doing this, just remember to remove this orange tape protector. Never touch with your finger this print head or these contacts. When you're ready to install them, you're going to lift this small clip here, like this. Okay. Then let me get closer so you have a better look. So you're going to just drop it in the appropriate slot here. Don't need to push anything. Just put it this way. And then you're going to close this lid. And again, it will click it in place and you'll know that the cartridge is secure. You can even try to remove it and it won't move. Do the same thing with the black color one. Remove this orange tape. And then just put it there like this. Just drop it there. You don't need to align it or anything. And close this lid. Here we go. By clicking itself in place. If there is ink cartridges already installed and you want to remove them to install new one, it's simple. You just have again to lift this clip and the ink cartridge comes out by itself. So maybe be more careful than me. Do it slowly. So then you can just lift them. Take a new ink cartridge, put it back, and then same thing, close it this way. When you're done, just lower the lid by bringing it down. Don't slam it. And then the printer will do its thing. You'll hear some noises, and after a minute or so, you'll be able to print again with your printer. So thanks for watching. I hope this video was useful. If so, leave a like, comment down below, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.